Ndewo. Kekime. Aha m bụ Ijeọma Kubue, onye na-ewetara gị nkụzi Igbo. Taa anyị ga-emekwa ihe anyị na-eme mbụ bụ 100 Igbo phrases, most common Igbo phrases. Okay? Ihe ndị anyị ga-eme taa bụ ajụjụ. Okay? Ịjụ ajụjụ. So nke mbụ bụ ka ebe ị na-aga. Ke ebe ị na-aga. Where are you going? Ke ebe ị na-aga. Okay? And then you say m na-aga wherever you're going. Okay? M na-aga ahịa. Okay? Ke ebe ị na-aga. Where are you going? Okay? M na-aga ahịa is an example of how to answer that. So I'm going to the market. Nke abụọ, ke ebe ị bi. Ke ebe ị bi. Ke ebe ị bi. Where do you live? Okay? Ebi m na Lagos. I live in Lagos. Okay? Ebi m na Toronto. I live in Toronto. Ke ebe ị bi. Where do you live? Ke ebe ị nọ. Where are you? Ke ebe ị nọ. Okay, so notice that the last three questions have started with where, which is ke ebe. Ke ebe ị nọ. Where are you? M nọ na Lagos. I'm in Lagos. Or m nọ n'ahịa. I'm at the market. M nọ n'elu. I'm upstairs. Okay, just answer. M nọ wherever you are. Ke ebe ị nọ. Where are you? M nọ n'ahịa. I'm at the market. Okay, and now we move on to asking how. Ke maka akwụkwọ. Ke maka akwụkwọ. How is school? Okay, how is school? Ke maka akwụkwọ or how is studies? How are your studies? Okay, ke maka akwụkwọ. Then you answer ọdịmma or ọdịmma if it's not okay. Okay, ke maka akwụkwọ. Ke maka ọrụ. Ke maka ọrụ. How is work? Ọdịmma, it's good. Ọdịmma, not good. Okay, ke maka ọrụ. Okay, and then you go ahead and explain. Ke maka Obi. So Obi is somebody's name. So if you want to ask about somebody, that's how to ask. How is Obi? Ke maka Obi. Ke maka Ada. Ada dị mma. Okay? So that's us done with asking how. Ke maka. Okay? Ke nke which one? Ke nke Ada is well. Okay. Dalo. MS Summer Loving Dalo. Ke nke which one? Okay, which one is it? Onka is this one. Onkozo is the other one. Okay. Ke nke which one? Okay. Then you point. Is this one or that one? Onka. Onkozo. Okay. That's asking which. Ke nke. Okay. Ke ihe na-akụ. What's the time? Now we've moved on to asking what. Ke ihe na-akụ. Ke ihe what? Ọ kụọla elekere iri. It's 10 o'clock. Ke ihe na-akụ. Ke ihe na-akụ. Ọ kụọla elekere abụọ. It's 2 o'clock. Okay. Ke ihe ị na-eme kemgbe. Okay, this was one of the contributions from the community. Kehi neme kembe. What have you been doing since? So kehi neme is what are you doing? But when I put the kembe, that means since, okay? Kehi neme kembe. What have you been doing since? Or what have you been up to since? Okay? Kehi neme, what are you doing? Kehi neme kembe, what have you been doing since? Makagini. Why? Makagini. Okay? So that's how to ask why basically. Makagini. And then you can start. Oh maka dash dash dash. Oh maka nka. Oh maka nkozo. Is because of this, is because of that. Okay? Makagini. Oh maka nka. Oh maka nkozo. Okay, dalo anyị ekwuola okwu iri ugbu a, so we've done 10. Okay, we're up to 40. I still appreciate you all for your contributions. So if you have more phrases that you know that there are things that you say normally every day, please dare me in a comment, okay? And before I go today, I want to remind you that I have a new program I'm working on, a long-term program. So this is for people that want something more long-term. At the moment, most of my programs are 8 to 12 weeks. But if you want something more long-term, so I'm talking 9 months long program, okay? That's completely like intensive, immersive. You want to like do it all in one go. You want to allocate 9 months, like just pretend that you having a year in college or something and bring out that year and just allocate it to Igbo and focus and learn Igbo. Then I have something for you that I'm preparing. So if you're interested, you want to hear more, I have a link in the comment section for you to click on, okay? So this is for you if you're ready for a long-term coaching from me in a little group of 3 people. Okay, so it will involve money, it will involve your time, okay? So, but if you're interested in it, go and click the link. Enola, Ngwan Kodi. I'm so loving Dalo for coming live. I got him.